Hello everyone, this is my 2003 Jaguar X-Type. I recently imported this car into Canada from the US, and if you're like me and you live in Canada, one thing you know is that in Canada it's actually required that you have daytime running lamps. These cars, because it came from the US, they do not require daytime running lamps down there. So I did a lot of searching online, and there's a lot of opinions and ideas about how it could be done or should be done. Some people suggest going to your Jaguar dealership and having them either program something or switching out the headlamp switch for a Canadian specific headlamp switch. I tried looking online. Parts retailers, they don't differentiate between US headlight switches and Canadian. It's just one part. They just differ between whether you have the auto leveling or whatever other options your car might have. So because I couldn't find a Canadian specific headlight switch, what I ended up doing, and I'll show you here, in the fuse box, this red wire you see, that pin, if you can see it here, is actually a 12 volt switched power source, meaning it only has power when the key is on, which is what you want. The ground wire, of course, I've ran direct to the battery. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but on the back of your low beam bulb, there is one pin that comes directly off of the bulb itself. That is where you'll tie your power wire. And then just off to the side there, there's another pin. That is actually the housing, and that is where you will tie your ground wire to. And then of course you'll have a wire running over to the other side, and then it's just the same thing on the other side. I would suggest, if you're going to do it this way, looming the wires, of course, maybe tie them up nice, make it look pretty. Me personally, this was literally just to pass inspection. I don't plan on leaving it like this. I'll end up either taking the headlights out and doing something different, or I don't know yet, but for now this is the way I've chosen to do it, and it worked for me, and you can do it the same way. So I'll show you really quick here. As you can see, the headlight switch is in the off position. When I turn the key to on, headlight switch still off. Come to the front of the car, and you'll see now that both low beam bulbs are on, and that's basically what you want. That's how essentially how your daytime running lights work, and that's all that will be required to pass inspection. So if you have any questions, you can comment below. Other than that, that's about it. Thanks.